What's up, everybody? This is the Kangaroo Court Master Richard Provost. Excuse me. I'm going to go over these steps and the mistakes people make, um, and how to shut these pieces of shit down at your door. There are several, and this is the first off. So we'll go ahead and start with this video. It's a little easier to go with here.
I'm okay.
Alright.
So, yeah.
Okay, what's missing from this picture? Well, she doesn't have an administrative order, removal order, or a warrant.
I'm from Child Protection Services. I so what you said?
The owner of the house?
Okay.
Mistake number one. Never conversate with a freaking CPS worker. 15-minute conversation turns into a 2-hour conversation that never even took place. 10-15 page CPS client contact and assessment report with bullshit all over it you never stated. Then CPS automatically opens up a case on you.
What's your name?
What's that have to do with it? You want my name or what?
Yes, because there's an allegation.
Uh-huh.
And then I need to.
Allegation. CPS has no legal authority to show up on an allegation.
Discuss it too.
What's the allegation?
I have to talk to you first.
Well, you don't have to tell me the allegation. You're talking to the owner of the house here.
Okay. Are you Mr. Brown?
Yes.
Okay. And then do you have what your daughter's name? I have to find first. I cannot just discuss the allegation.
First off, I wouldn't even be talking to. So what you would do in this particular reason, you tell her to leave. Period. Tell her to kiss your ass. And you fucking leave. Tell her to leave.
To you before I unless
Well, unless what?
unless you don't want to talk to me right now.
Well, I want to talk to you, but you know.
Okay, so
What's the allegation? Call.
I can't tell you who called. Okay? I cannot tell you that.
Well, yes, you have the right to face your accuser. And most of the time, these calls are false calls. Sometimes they're not even calls that come in. CPS will randomly pick a family to mess with. Show up. Oh, we got allegations. Bullshit. You tell them to leave. Don't come back.
Because I'm very scared right now.
Why would you be scared?
CPS? You guys take our kids from us. All the time, I just looked at the statistics of how many kids are taken from people and how many kids that lost the system.
Now look at her. She's all sweet and bubbly. Oh, we don't take kids. Bullshit.
People get raped. I mean, no, it's scary. I'm very scared right now.
I understand that. But at the same time, there are a lot of children that get abused.
Well,
See?
yeah, well.
And that's the reason why I'm here. Just because there's an allegation that
Well,
doesn't
you need
mean
to first of all tell me who that.
It has to be under probable cause, serious injury, or death of a child. That's the only time CPS can show up. Right. That means when they show up, they're not going to be. If this was an actual case of severe abuse, severe neglect, they're not going to sit there and talk to you. They're going to have a removal order, an administrative order signed, and an officer with a warrant. Your ass is going to prison. They're going to have trial, evidence. You're going to prison. Not safety plans. Safety plans is the fraud. You sign it, that's the evidence that CPS is using. CPS is using fake court documents, their own documents, as false evidence. Anything you sign, you're basically saying, hey, I severely abused, severely neglected my child. So that's the whole process of the fraud.
She's coming from. Do you have probable cause?
I can't tell you who.
Then I can't talk to you. If you can't tell me something, then I can't tell
No,
you.
you're
Good.
asking
That
me
was
to
good.
tell
That
you
was good.
who called the allegation, and I cannot do
Listen,
that.
if I am being accused of something, right? By
And also, anybody that makes whatever law falls under, I don't know, CPS workers can even be sued, penalized over making false allegations. So, I don't know. Let's go for it.
law, I am supposed to be able to face my accuser. Is that correct?
Correct?
But if you don't want,
The First Amendment states that I have the right,
Right, here we
have the
go.
right to be secure in their persons, their houses, and their papers and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, and those things shall not be violated. Right? Unless you have a warrant, no warrant shall be placed upon the part of the court supported by an oath, an affirmation, okay, and declaring describing the place to be searched, and the people in there to be seized, and the things to be seized.
All right. Yeah,
And I
yeah.
have a Fourth Amendment right.
Yeah. Government intrusion. So, yeah, he knows his shit.
Do you know what my Fourth Amendment
but
is?
that's not important to me right now.
It's not important to her.
But it's important to me
Okay.
because you
As long
have.
as you know it, that's fine. But the only
No, do
reason
you know it? Are you going to protect my rights as an agent?
I can't disclose anything that I discuss with anybody else.
I know, as
But
an agent.
yes,
Are
I
you
need
there
to.
to? What's your objective here?
My objective is to make sure that the children are safe. It's not about you.
Do
It's
you
not
think
Safe.
that I am a bad parent? Is that what
I
you said?
can't say that because I barely met you like 2 seconds ago.
Uh-huh.
So how am I gonna say? It's not me
authority
to
is
judge.
there?
The only thing
What are you looking for? What are you here?
what I'm looking for, I'm here to interview you and the children. I already see I saw your daughter already.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing
Who
that
gave
I'm
you permission to see my daughter?
okay, sir. If we can do two things.
I am asking.
No, let me
Who
say
gave
this.
you?
Let me say
I'm just asking.
the agency.
I'm pretty impressed with this guy. So, look at her. She doesn't even know. See, the CPS policies and procedures are fraudulent. They don't exist. Again, they CPS, anything you sign, safety plan, 30-day improvement period, child case plan, family treatment plan. CPS is, once you sign that, you signed your rights away to your kid or children or whatever. And let me see. We're going to have to close that out. But that's what's happening is that CPS is scaring parents into the safety plans or whatever. See, the CPS services are strictly voluntary. That means that the judge has no authority or power to force services on a parent, right? They're, like I said, they're using the CPS documents. They're submitting them in as false evidence. CPS documents have no legal value, weight, or construction in court. They're not legal court binding documents. So that's what I'm saying. The whole process, the thing you have to do, don't cooperate. Tell them to shove that shit up their ass. You're not signing this, you're not signing this, and then you tell the judge the same thing. Well, anyway, we'll continue with this.
You have a right to go talk to my children, my underage children, without my authority.
Well, if you say, when I came here earlier, you could have told me, no, don't go and talk to the child, and that would have been fine.
I was not here.
Okay, then you were not here, but I had to talk to the child because there's an allegation. I have to find out if the child is okay.
Who's the allegation coming from?
I cannot tell you who the allegation is coming from. It's either
That you're violating my rights.
okay, then
Because you have a right to tell me who the accuser is.
no.
I don't know. We'll get to
All CPS states that the Fourth Amendment doesn't apply to them. So, I wouldn't